Telesin reached out for me to try their ND filters for the DJI action cameras. So I was like, okay, I like ND filters. So this is my review of the Telesin filter kit. Now, if you don't know what ND filters are, they're basically like sunglasses for your camera. Now, I know everyone says that, but let me break it down for you. These filters are neutral density filters, which will allow you to slip them right onto your camera lens, and essentially they're going to cut out the highlights of your footage on bright sunny days or super bright snowy days. They will allow you to shoot in a lower shutter speed. So if you're using the 180-degree shutter rule on your camera, then when it's bright outside like this, then these allow you to get a better looking image out of your camera without having to change your shutter speed up and try to bring those highlights down. So to shoot in the most natural looking frame rate on your camera, you'll run into the issue of overexposure a lot of times, or getting too much light in. But if you change your shutter speed to cut that light down, then you're not going to keep that natural motion blur in your videos, and it'll look kind of jittery or unrealistic. That's where ND filters come in. They will cut the light down to allow your camera to have the proper exposure in your videos on bright days. Story time. So they sent me these filters to try out, and I was gonna go out and get a ride video trying out their filter until I hit a tree branch and knocked the filter off my camera. So I was kind of bummed about that. I didn't know if I'd ever find it again. The snow and the ice is just everywhere out there, and it's just hard to find something that small. Didn't know if I'd find it again until spring, and even then it'd be lost in the bushes and the leaves, and I don't know if I'll ever find it. So real quick here, I'll show you. They have 3 ND filters in this kit. They have an ND8, an ND16, and an ND32, and they also have this CPL filter in here. I normally would stick with the ND8 for most of my filming, but in the winter or brighter summer days, you're going to need a thicker filter. So you've got some options to pick from depending on the light that you're working with. I also have this CPL filter that has been really helpful with my main camera as well, being able to cut out things like window glare or reflections on water, or even out the exposure in the sky. And when you're shooting in areas where there's windows causing glare, or the reflection on the water is not ideal for you, and you want a different look in your photos and videos, or you want to cut that glare out, or if you're shooting a video from outside your vehicle looking in and that glass is just reflecting too much, that's where the CPL filter or the Polarizer filter comes in. If you haven't tried a CPL filter yet, I think you'll find it's a really useful filter to have in your camera bag. This is how they mount and slip onto the camera, and they hold up pretty well, but not if you're riding a dirt bike and you hit a tree branch. They also sent me this cage mount for the Action 5 Pro, which is super handy because the original cage doesn't have this little mount here, this cold shoe mount. And some of us filmmakers who like to mount mics for a really small vlog setup know that that is super handy to have. It's just really easy, slip it in like that and clip it in until your little latch here locks. Check out how small this setup here is compared to my main setup. So if you want to get filters or this cage for these action cameras, these DJI action cameras, you can check out the top link in the description, and you can save 10% from Telesin by entering my code JohnAnderson10 at checkout. Now, I was interested in trying these filters out, and they have performed great for everything that I've used them for. They've also updated their case for the filters, so you can slip it in your bag and you don't have to try fitting that whole box shape. They used to have an older box shape to fit in your backpack. Now the slim case fits in with most other filter pouches in your bags. So if you want to be able to keep the most natural look in your footage, then ND filters are something that will save your footage when it gets bright. I think Telesin has a good kit here, and it's one of the few options available for these DJI action cameras. Both the filters and the cage will fit the 3, the 4, and the 5 action cameras. I use an ND filter for my main camera, and to have these filters available for your action cameras will allow you to improve the quality of your videos. If you're looking at getting the Action 5 Pro, be sure to check out this video first, and I'll see you over there.